Are you selling print on demand on major e-commerce platforms and looking for winning items? Contact Merchize. Still wondering which fulfillment partner offers the best pricing and top-tier quality? Contact Merchize. Need fast production and stable shipping? Contact Merchize. Need support for product photography and video shooting or free mock-up? Contact Merchize. Merchize has a global network of fulfillment centers in Vietnam, United States, European Union, United Kingdom, Australia, and China, ensuring reliable worldwide shipping to over 118 countries, complete with real-time tracking. With a capacity of over 100,000 products per day, serving global sellers with stable speed and quality. Average production time is only 1.37 business days. Visit Merchize.com to explore nearly 1,000 print-on-demand apparel and home decor products in various categories. Whatever you need, Merchize has it. Trending products are continuously updated by Merchize, fast, timely, and ready to meet every seller's demand. Want to make a strong first impression on your customers? Don't forget to use Merchize's branding services. With factories across 5 countries and regions, all equipped with the latest technology and operated by skilled teams, Merchize ensures high output during peak seasons. Production and shipping are consistently reliable. Merchize always listens and tailors our products in response to sellers' unique needs. Dedicated and experienced support team is available 24/7. Fulfilling POD products has never been easier. With Merchize, you can stay stress-free. Message the Merchize support team today to get started.